Sometimes I have to keep on breathing.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you an unboxing of a subscription company called Your Hidden Diva.
That I'm so leaving.
Now, Your Hidden Diva is actually one of my companies that I really wanted to show you guys and share with you the products that I put in this box, the products that I make, and the products that I really feel are really good for all my subscribers. Now, if you guys don't remember, if you are a subscriber to my channel, you will see that in 2015 I started my own Etsy shop. It has grown tremendously from 2015. I never gave up my business, and every single day I just kept growing and growing and growing. So what I wanted to do was a specific products of mine I wanted to put into Your Hidden Diva subscription box. And then there was other brands that I also wanted to put in the box that I felt that I bought for myself and I always tried and I love them. Now, Your Hidden Diva is a bi-monthly box. You could find it on Cratejoy, and I'll put the link right here. I will also put my caramel shop link right up here or there. Depends on where the camera put them. So back to Your Hidden Diva. Your Hidden Diva is a bi-monthly subscription box, and you can find it on Cratejoy. And I thought of this idea as in Your Hidden Diva, everybody has something that they love. It could be summertime, it could be a chocolate hidden diva, it could be that they love gold, that they love coffee. So every 2 months you see that there's a specific theme for the subscription box of Your Hidden Diva. Now, our summer theme of Your Hidden Diva subscription box is Summer Here We Come. Now, again, what I did is I'm going to show you the products that are in this box. And again, you guys can subscribe to Cratejoy. You can buy this box as a one-time purchase only, or you could subscribe to it for 3 months or 6 months or for the entire year. Now, again, a couple of these products I did make myself from Caramel Shop, and there's a couple of products that I received from other retail brands and stuff that I absolutely love and that I found would be sensational for this box. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to see, I'm going to open the box for you. Okay, so the first two products that I picked up are these two cute little bath bombs that resemble beach balls. Now, I'm not sure if you guys are a fan of bath bombs. I sometimes take a bath and I use bath bombs, but most of the time, if I'm having a very long day, I actually take like a foot bath and then I'll chop up half of a bath bomb and then I put the bath bomb, half of the bath bomb into the foot bath, and that's what helps me when I'm having a really long day. But what's really cool about these bath bombs is that they are made with aloe and they're also made with vitamin E and oils that will help nourish your skin for the summertime. So you are getting 2 of these cute beach ball bath bombs in the box. Oh, I just wanted to mention that the 2 bath bombs that are in the box, this is from Caramel Shop, so I made these personally myself. Now, the next item that I want to take out and show you, this is again from Caramel Shop as well. So this is watermelon soap. Okay, so you guys can actually see the shape right here, and I'll take a close-up for you. Okay, so these cute little watermelon soaps are adorable because, number one, the fruit that I always eat in the summertime is watermelon. So these soaps smell like watermelon, and the great part of it is that they're filled with aloe vera. Now, again, the reason why I incorporated all these products with aloe vera in it is because with me, I tend to burn in the summertime and it gradually gets into a tan, but I'm always looking for like that last second where I never have aloe vera in store. So in other words, if you're going to buy this box, you have all this aloe vera in case you get a sunburn. So what I really like about the Caramel Shop watermelon soap is that it suds very well. It has glycerin in it, so again, it moisturizes your skin. And I told you, if you have a sunburn, you could just pop this in the shower and put some cold water on, take a cold shower or a bath, and just put this soap all over your sunburn and it will make you feel a lot better. The next product that I wanted to show you that's in the Your Hidden Diva summertime, here we come. This is Global Beauty. This is the Gold Gel Face Mask. I actually really like this brand. Now, I've tried their gold mask and I've also tried their charcoal mask. Now, with this mask, you guys can actually buy this on Amazon. It comes in a bigger bottle, which is about $17. So this one's a little bit smaller. So the Global Beauty Gold Face Mask, it's an anti-age skin treatment mask. So it has gold extract in it, which it helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And it also firms and tones your skin as well. So when I put this on, it actually comes with a little spatula as well in it. So you put this on your face, and I always wait about maybe a half an hour. And then when I take it off, you feel that your skin is very moisturized, but it just like has that glow to it. So usually what I do is I don't put this mask on at night. I put it on like if I know I'm going to be going out during the day. So I'll wash my face and I'll do like the whole skincare routine where you use the skin polish, a facial scrub, and then I put this mask on, and then it just brightens up your skin so much. So that's in the box as well. Now, the next one, which I found was so cute, like I just made these about 2 months ago. These are little miniature donuts. These are soaps. Aren't these so cute? They smell like jelly donuts. They come with, it's a pink, so it's a pink, chocolate, and vanilla scented soaps. Now, number one, I love donuts, but I find that in the summertime, as a teacher, you know, I could eat breakfast a little bit slower. I never have to run. So donuts has always been on the menu for like my summertime routine in the morning. So I'll just have like a cup of Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks, or just own coffee in the house, and I always have like a specialty donut from like somewhere in the tri-state area. So I really wanted to incorporate these mini soap donuts. They're even small too, so say that you go traveling and you don't want to have like a big bar or a liquid soap that you're bringing on the plane. You could just bring like 2 of these little donut soaps, and they're perfect for traveling. Also, I keep 1 little mini donut in a little dispenser. So in case if you do, say that you go to a lake or so and they have porta potties, sometimes they run out of like the liquid hand soap and stuff. So it's really cute when you have these tiny soaps that you put into like your backpack or your purse, and you could use these all the time. So in the subscription box, you are going to be receiving 6 of the mini donuts, and they vary. They have pink, again, vanilla, and chocolate donuts. Okay, so my next product is, again, this is from Caramel Shop. This is an aloe vera body butter. Now, this smells like the Josie Maran Argan Oil Whip Butter. I have been such a fan of that product, and I wanted to make a product that has that feel. So, for instance, this is a body butter, so you just put very little onto your skin, and it moisturizes that body part. And also, again, the main ingredient is aloe vera. So, again, almost this entire box has something to do with aloe vera in it for your skin. So we have the 4 ounce of the aloe vera body butter, and I'm letting you know, guys, with these 4 ounces, body butters, a little goes such a long way. You will have this product literally, I would say, until like the end of like December. So it's a great product. Our next product is, this is such a cute, okay, so when you open up the box, you're going to see these 2, and then you put it like this. This is a little coconut dispenser for your juices, and then it comes with a paper straw. So I wanted to match it with the flower on top. Isn't this adorable? So cute. When I saw this product, I had to buy like multiples for myself and my family. And I'm like, you know what? I think my subscribers would really, really like this. So it's perfect when you go out into your backyard or if you're having a party. So my favorite vacation spot of all time was Hawaii and Aruba. I always drank from coconuts, and I don't know, this just brings back so many memories. And it's great for pictures and selfies and stuff. So this also comes with a box, and you actually get 2 paper straws instead of 1. And guys, well, that's about it. Okay guys, so there you have it. That's all that's in the box. Again, I will put the link down below if you would like to try the subscription box. Is there another cool theme that you think would be perfect for the fall? I've got some ideas with what I want to have for it in the fall. But if you guys have any ideas, please let me know. And just try it out, because I love subscription boxes and I love trying out new products. And this is just perfect for the summertime. I really am an Aloe Vera fan, so I really love to put all these products in there. So if one of you guys are interested out there in starting a subscription box, let me know. Would you want me to do a video on how I started this subscription box service? Let me know down in the comments. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like this video and comment down below. And I hope you guys are all staying safe, and I will be back with another video. Bye!